the capital of Anioma State should be in the southeast and not in Anioma land, because the slot is meant for the southeast, says someone in the comment section. Look at what the person said. He said, you people can't deceive anybody. You can't be asking for equality by bringing balance with a state to balance up southeast state. Yet you are talking about Anioma State that is in the south. And does that make any sense? Or you guys want to mock southeast? If there should be any Anioma State, the headquarters must be in southeast, or you stop mocking southeast with this hypocrisy. The memorandum of Anioma State creation is for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. We have never for once said that Anioma State will be created and zoned to the south. All the fight that Senator Nedwoko have been fighting to see that Anioma State is being created is for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. The public hearing that was held in Uyo, in Enugu, and in other parts of Nigeria last year in 2025, the National Assembly have made it possible for Anioma State to join the southeast. 3 states are being proposed for one to be the 6th state in the southeast. Those states are Anioma State, Adada State, and Anem State. So, wetin dey make this person dey feel say if they create Anioma State join southeast, say make the capital not dey for that Anioma State, make they carry am put for another southeast state, or make some people for Anambra State join Anioma State, then make the capital dey for that place, maybe Onitsha or Baru or all those places where they for Anambra State, make they carve all those places, join for Anioma State, then make the capital dey for all those places. That is what some of our brothers in the southeast are saying, and it's very bad. The slot is meant for the southeast, and so what? Make wetin happen. Hope Uzodinma proposed that Anioma State should join Anem State and become Anemoma State. We refused. We say that kind thing not dey possible. Say that is not what we are fighting for. We said that what we want is Anioma State with its capital in Asaba. The most important thing here is that Anioma State will be the 6th state in the southeast. So why some of our brothers for that southeast they tell say make the capital dey for another southeast state? Obaru people are okay being in Anambra State. Make them no join Anioma State. Anioma State is big enough. Some people are saying make Obaru people join Anioma so that the capital of Anioma go dey for Obaru, so that Anioma people not go get Anioma State finish, then they go come dey work to see say Anioma State go back to south. We saw so many comments like this in the comment section. They are saying that if Anioma State is being created and you did not add some part of Anambra to it, that if Anioma people get that Anioma State, that they will want to go back to the south. So adding part of Anambra to it will not allow Anioma people to leave the southeast and join the south. How is that even possible? If National Assembly thought say Anioma State is the 6th southeast state, they can't create am. So now they feel say we Anioma people go come run go back to the south. Where that kind of thing dey happen? Anioma State must be created and zoned to the southeast. We know they talk and they hide mouth. It must be created. Anioma State is Igbo agenda. Must dey inside. If southeast go get 6 states, that 6 states must be Anioma State. It must be Anioma State. If to say the 6th southeast state no go be Anioma State, why Ohaneze Igbo never come out to the talk say they are in support of other states? Why they never come out to the talk say they are in support of Anem State? Anioma is already a state in the constitution of Ohaneze Igbo. So when we tell you that Anioma State must be the 6th state in the southeast, we not just dey talk am from out, we dey talk am because now wetin go happen. So if your argument is that the capital of Anioma State should be in Olo, or the capital of Anioma State should be in Obaru, should be in somewhere in Anambra, then you just dey waste your time. Anybody when they make that statement na enemy of Igbo unification. Such person na enemy. Anybody when they talk that kind of thing na enemy be. Then they talk say they wan create Anioma State join Southeast. You dey talk say the capital must dey for all those old Southeast states. Somewhere in Anambra or somewhere in Olo. Just imagine. Some people go just come out, talk something, they no go reason how these things sound for ear. Anioma State whether they create so they no dey talk say if you not dey possible for Southeast, say you go dey possible for South. That is not what they are saying. They talk say Anioma State will be the 6th Southeast state. If they create Anioma State, now Southeast they go. So because of that, this kind of comment is not necessary. Some of our Igbo brothers go start to talk say, that person wey talk that thing, not be Igbo person from Southeast, na Bini person, na Yoruba person. So many of our brothers for Southeast, they make these comments. I don't check that account. Now our Igbo brother from Southeast talk am. That kind of thing not good. Let's stop saying things that will bring disunity. Because now this kind of thing that they make some of our people for Anioma land, they talk say, hey, see now, then they follow the drag our capital. We thought say we want to make Anioma join Southeast now. Then they thought say no, the capital must be in another place in the Southeast. Say make the capital not there for Anioma land. That kind of statement, they make Anioma people to reject being in the Southeast. And that one a fact. Because it can't be like say the capital of Anioma State, they are so important. Una want make una just hold her for hand like this. Anybody will get that mindset, that means the person just want overshadow Anioma people. He won't just collect leadership from Anioma people. If you want to make Anioma people not get that kind of mindset, say una want take their capital, then leave the capital of Anioma State to be in Anioma. For sure, we know say the capital of Anioma State na Anioma land e go dey. Must dey inside. This one not be just for sure. It's a must. The capital of Anioma State must remain in Asaba. We know say no Southeast governor go come talk say the capital of Anioma State should not be in Anioma. It should be in Obaru. It should be in Ihiala. Shame no go ever allow anybody talk am. The only people that are making all those kind of statements now some of our Igbo brothers for comment section. And that thing that they are saying is not the mindset of the whole Southeast. Now just few people when not they understand what we are saying. Anioma State is going to the Southeast. The capital should not be your problem. The capital will remain in Asaba. All this is not supposed to be argument, but I just decided to bring it out. Now why they talk about this to make people hear, so that they will stop making such a statement. We Anioma people are Igbo people. We are not running to anywhere. Before the name Southeast came into existence, we Anioma people are Igbo people. Our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, they are Igbo people. We remain Igbo people. So saying that the capital of Anioma must be in another place in the Southeast, that one are just yeye talk. It don't make sense. Come out the name Southeast for the picture. And we Anioma people no longer Igbo people. Some people will just make comments. They're not good reason. These comments were made so it makes sense. This comment, you get direction. This kind of comments, people when they made this kind of comments now, Bini and Yoruba people. Because we know say their work now to cause confusion, to cause disunity, to make sure say Anioma people not join Southeast. Now the agenda for social media. It is very wrong for an Igbo brother to make this kind of comments. Other tribes in Nigeria are uniting. The ones way small, they unite themselves. As Igbo nation, they thought say they want Anioma State. Every Igbo person is expected to support Anioma State creation at the Southeast zoning. No Igbo person should come out and be saying that the capital of Anioma State should not be in Anioma. It should be in somewhere in all those Anambra area. Let them cut some part of Anambra and add to Anioma. And the capital of that Anioma State should be in that place that they mapped out from Anambra. That kind of statement now to divide in Igbo. That statement have so many meaning. If you thought to make the capital of Anioma State not there for Anioma land, make it there for another place for all those Anambra, or make it there for all those Olu area. That statement, it gets big meaning. Because it means say Anioma people not get the power to have the capital in Anioma land. It proves say that thing where some Anioma people they thought say if they join the Southeast, say Southeast go collect leadership from them, say they go do them this, so it shows say that thing where Anioma people they talk now true. You have proven them right that if they join the Southeast, power will come out from their hand. That is what this comment is saying. But some people, they're not reason go this side. This is why if we see comments like this, it's expected of us to come online and speak against it, so that anybody will get that mindset go desist from such mindset. This mindset is so evil. This mindset, they bring about disunity. They divide people. This mindset is just the mindset of a supremacist. If you understand about this state creation that they are talking about, you suppose use your sense to know, say, if they create Anioma State, now Southeast they go. The reason why we get issue with Okowa, we dey quarrel with Okowa, we dey fight with Okowa, na because Okowa don't want make Anioma State join Southeast. He want Anioma State today for South. That is why we and Okowa get issue. Okowa want to make he comot Senator Nwoko from Senate, so that he go that place, then put an end to Anioma State agitation and creation. So if you there for this online, they see wetin dey go on. You suppose use your brain. No, say we are fighting to make sure that Anioma State joins the Southeast. The National Assembly have made it possible for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the Southeast. So saying that you people that are in the South want to take the slot that is meant for the Southeast, that talk now talk of person will not get sense. What do you mean, you people that are in the South? What is South? What is Southeast? Come on that name South, come on that name Southeast. We be Igbo people. Make we not the same geopolitical zone again because I say we dey for South. If anybody want divide us, make it be Bini and Yareba. We know say all those one are from outside, they are just backing. But if an Igbo person try to cause disunity in Igbo land, that thing they pay well. That is why you will see some Yareba and Bini people creating fake social media accounts using Igbo name to cause confusion, so that we go to talk say, hey wo, na Igbo people, now they divide themselves. So if you be say this person self not be Igbo person, maybe na Bini or Yareba person, because now what thing that they do. But I'm telling you that this kind of comments, some of our Igbo brothers have been making this kind of comments. No be today we start to see this kind of comments. If I get buto by an Igbo, can I wait if any buy no? If I chop organic Igbo. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the Southeast, and the capital of Anioma State will be in Asaba, in Anioma land. Igbo Bufu, Ishewale.